Hello friends, in today's class we are going to see about the renin-angiotensin and the aldosterone mechanism. So what is the purpose of this mechanism is it increases the blood pressure. It is important for the long-term regulations of BP. So what is renin and where is it released from? It is released from the JG cells of the juxtaglomerular apparatus. So if we see the kidney and a part of nephron, this is the glomerulus. Here we have the afferent arteriole, here we have the efferent arteriole, here is the distal collecting tubule. There are few cells between the glomerulus as well as the distal collecting tubules. These cells are called as the JG cells. From here the renin is produced. So we got to know how this renin is coming from. So what is happening here when there is decreased blood supply to the kidney, here the renin will come into action or the renin will be secreted from the JG cells. Also, when there is decreased blood supply to the macula densa, which is present in the distal convoluted tubule, it is acting as a baroreceptor and it will be sensing the decreased blood supply. And when there is stimulation of the beta adrenergic fibers, or when the patient is scared, that time also we can see that there is increase in blood pressure. So the renin from the JG cells will act on the angiotensin which is present in the liver or secreted from the liver, and it is getting converted into angiotensin 1. Here the angiotensin 1 is further getting converted into angiotensin 2 by angiotensin converting enzyme secreted from the lungs. So how I remember is, come from the lower part, here is the kidney where the renin is getting secreted. We always tend to get confused if it is from the liver or the kidney. So we can remember that above the kidney is the liver. So we can remember angiotensinogen is produced from the liver, and from there it is coming up to the lungs where the angiotensin converting enzyme is produced. So what is the function of angiotensin converting enzyme 2 is it will cause vasoconstriction of the blood vessels. When the blood vessels are constricted, what will happen? There is increased blood supply to the heart. When there is increased blood supply to the heart, it will cause increase in blood pressure. And further, it has three actions. Angiotensin 2